Welcome to our afternoon workshop on using the Digital Swamp Index, also known as DSI. This is used for our technology school and other blended schools, written by Valerie Van Hevelen. Welcome to the digital age. This workshop is meant for all teachers, administrators, and paraprofessionals. I'd like to thank you for consideration of new software for your school. Our session today will be on evaluation of new software. We will be using the Digital Swamp Index, known as the DSI. Today we'll be evaluating intermediate and outcome goals. Intermediate goals where all teachers will have all the training that they need. Outcome goals where student reading and writing will significantly improve. Today we will be evaluating new software. From this, we will be looking at indicators. These are the goals to gauge progress. We'll be looking at professional development, availability of technology, and curriculum integration. We'll also be reviewing benchmarks. These are the targets that we will be needing. We'll be looking at each increments, and we'll find the targets with baselines needed. Today, we'll be doing the evaluation of our new software. We will be looking at the measures, the concrete evidence, specific ratios, and percentages. Today we'll all be reviewing the book Evaluating and Accessing Tools in the Digital Swamp. Fullen and Donnelly's book provides evidence for cause and effect, long-term effects, the impacts it has, and changes across time. We're all going to turn to the page 20 in our book. This is where we're going to see the Digital Swamp Index. Here we're going to look at the criteria area for pedagogy, the system change, and technology. We'll be doing the ratings on it, and we'll be given our rationales. We'll be looking at the innovation index for the colors of green, amber red, and red. After we get into our groups, each of us will be looking at the pedagogy, the clarity and quality of the intended outcome, the quality of pedagogy and relationship between teacher and learner, and the quality of assessment platform and functioning. We'll be given the ratings for this and giving our rationale. The next area we'll be looking at is the system change. We'll be looking at the implementation support that we'll be needing, the value for the money for our software, and the whole system change potential. Finally, we'll all be looking at the technology portion, the quality of user experience and model design, ease of adaptation, and comprehensiveness and integration. So why this new technology? We'll be looking at cutting-edge technology and becoming leaders. We'll be looking at the pedagogical leadership. That's our teachers in our room. We'll be looking at the collaborative cultures that we have. We all bring things to the table. And we'll be looking at possibly bundling some products together to save money and to save time. Okay, it is workshop decision time now. We will be getting into our groups, making sure that we all are understanding the DSI. We'll be celebrating our diversity within our groups. We will be making some tough decisions today. From our session today, clusters can develop where you can sign on for at least a 3-year time frame to implement the Stratosphere agenda. We'll be learning new outcomes, the 6 C's. We'll be developing new pedagogies. We'll be having a supportive policy. And we'll be having some strategy conditions that we can look at. Okay, it is now decision time. I will be around answering any questions that you have for your groups. Please allow up to 2 to 3 hours. At the end of that time frame, we'll be coming together and reviewing all of our data. Thank you for viewing my video, written by Valerie Van Hevelen.